Let us understand A is instruction from instruction set of 8086. A is stands for ASCII adjust after subtraction. So it is applied only after subtraction of ASCII numbers. For example, here 39 is moved to the AL register and 35 is moved to the CL register. We should understand the relationship between the hexadecimal, decimal and ASCII. So 39 in hexadecimal represents 57 in decimal, which is the ASCII value of 9. And if we represent it in binary, then it gives 00111001. So by masking this higher nibble to 0, that is 00001001, we can have its decimal value 9. Similarly, 35H in hexadecimal represents 53 in decimal, and if it is represented in binary, then we get 00110101. This 53 is the ASCII value of 5. So if we clear this higher nibble, then we get decimal equivalent of this 35, which is 5. Then on application of subtraction instruction on AL and CL, the contents of CL register are going to be subtracted from contents of AL. And this subtraction is carried out by using 16's complement. CL is the subtrahend, so 35's 15's complement is calculated by subtracting this 35 from FF, which results in CA, which is the 15's complement of CL. In addition to 1 to this, it results in CB, which is the 16's complement of CL, means it indicates minus 35. Now this 16's complement of subtrahend get added to the minute, which is 39. This addition is carried out in a hexadecimal only. So 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 modulus 16, 4. 20 divided by 16, carry is 1. 1 plus C, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 modulus 16, sum is 0. 16 divided by 16, carry is 1. Because quotient part forms the carry. Then this carry get ignored as this subtraction is performed in the 16's complement. So 04 is the original answer, and which is positive because carry is generated on addition of the 16's complement of subtrahend to the minute. Then this result 04 get moved to the AL register. Now the contents of AL register are checked for certain conditions in order to have the answer in decimal. If lower nibble of AL is greater than 9 or auxiliary flag is set to 1 from this subtraction, then the contents of AL register, from this contents of AL register 6 get subtracted. AH register is updated by decrementing its content by 1, and auxiliary flags, carry flag, are set to 1. If lower nibble of AL is not exceeding the 9 value, then auxiliary flag, carry flag, these are set to 0. Now 04 is stored in the AL register. So no any value, lower nibble value is not exceeding 9. That's why we are not going to subtract anything from this. Auxiliary flag and carry flag both are set to 0, and higher nibble of AL get cleared in both conditions. So it is already 0. If it is not, then it get cleared to 0. So 00000100, this is the binary representation of this 04 in hexadecimal, which represents unpacked BCD for 4. See the difference between packed BCD and unpacked BCD. With packed BCD, every digit from decimal is represented with 4 bits. With unpacked BCD, every digit from the decimal is represented with 8 bits. Now 4 is represented with 8 bits 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. That is the expected result from subtraction of 9 and 5. So where 5 is subtracted from 9 to give the result 4.